So you may have just picked up your magic mouse and you might be trying to figure out how you can zoom in or out using just your magic mouse. Now, the way to do this isn't necessarily, it's a little confusing. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go and grab your magic mouse or put it on the table. And the way to actually zoom in and out is by going through and using your finger and double tapping on the top portion of this glass slab at the very top. So the top half, you're basically going to have a little this is like a touchpad area. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and double tap on the top portion of this glass. So don't double click into it, like don't move the whole thing and click into it. Just double tap on that glass part at the very top. What's going to happen there is your mouse is going to then zoom in to the specific page that you're in. Now, not every page you can zoom in from, but if you're on a web browser, if you're on a PDF file, if whatever, you can go through, double tap on this top portion, and that will go ahead and allow you to zoom in and zoom out. Now you can also make your way over to your system settings of your magic mouse. So you can find the system settings of your magic mouse, go into it, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and change up these settings a little bit too. So you can go through and modify it whichever way you want to, so you kind of have that option as well. But that is basically how you do it. Double tap on this top portion and that will allow you to zoom in and zoom out. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.